friends, family, coworkers, church members, anybody. Thank you for the gift. YMCA does not have them in my area. Hello, welcome in. Hello, welcome in. Double tap the screen, please. Share the live. Go to the bio, top 4 ways. Send some gifts if you'd like. Please go to the bio, top 4 ways. Please send some help, y'all. Any amount helps. I need so much help, y'all. Please help me. I'm very grateful for any help. Did I eat today? I had a donut. That's all. Flipper. I've already answered that question. What I say, if you don't hear me say it or in my video, it's not true. If it's about me and people are saying things, if you don't hear me say it or my video of me talking and saying it directly, it's not true. I tell y'all what's up. Don't believe it unless I tell you. If you want to know, watch my pinned video. It tells you everything. If it's not in the pinned video, ask me and I'll tell you. You know? Everybody, please go to the bio, top 4 ways. Please send some help. Any amount helps. Please help me. I'm homeless. It sucks. I need a lot of help. I'm grateful for any help. Please go to the bio, top 4 ways. Send some help, please. Hello, welcome in, everybody. Please double tap the screen, share the live, send some gifts, please. This is going to be a short live. It's already 2:12 p.m. on a Friday, y'all. I don't have much time. Please help me. I'm homeless. It sucks. I need a lot of stuff done. All right. So please go to my bio, take a little picture up there. The top always send some help. Please send some help. Any amount helps. More the better. But anything helps. I'm very grateful. Please share the top 4 ways and help with all your followers, your friends, family, coworkers, church members, anybody at all. The pinned video on the page. Please watch it and share it as well. Answers most of your questions. Today I'm celebrating 97 months of sobriety as well. Any amount helps. Please go to the bio. Top 4 ways. Please send some help. Got the car rental through work for work. Due Sunday night by midnight. The cell phone bill is due tonight by midnight, or it's cut off. There's a lot of stuff I got to do. So any amount helps. Please help me. And I can't get a room until I make sure that I have the vehicle taken care of for next week first. And I can't do none of that unless I got the cell phone bill first. So all of it's connected, you know what I mean? It's all together, man. So any amount will help. You know, it'll go towards the first thing, then the next thing, and the next thing. You know what I mean? So you're helping. Any amount you send is going to help. And it depends on how much you send and where it goes. You know, it goes the first thing, priority 1, priority 2. You know, but everything's like priority 1 because I'm homeless. It sucks, man. Then I need help. So please help me, y'all. It's not a Chick-fil-A cup. It's just a styrofoam cup. It's not a Chick-fil-A cup, so what if it was? It doesn't matter. It's just a styrofoam cup. That styrofoam cup is not going to help me pay for the rental or cell phone bill or anything. You can get a styrofoam cup anywhere. All right. Here's the deal. Welcome in, everybody. Y'all please help me out. All right, I am homeless. It sucks. I need some help right now. Short life. It's Friday afternoon. It's 2:15. I got a lot of stuff I got to do. I need to go get some cleaning supplies also. I need cell phone bill tonight by midnight, so I need that right now. I got the car through work for work. Got to have that by Sunday night. I need to get a haircut. I need to shave. I need to shower. I need a hotel room. I need to buy a car. I need to get a place to live. I need to buy some razors, some soap, some wipes, some shampoo. I need cleaning supplies for the car, all kinds of stuff. So any amount helps. I'm very grateful. Everybody, please, if you can help me, please do. Please go to the bio, tap the picture, top 4 ways. Please send some help. Any amount helps. More the better, but anything does help. It will go towards everything. And my work will go towards everything too. I don't know how tonight's going to be. It's been slow. Last several Fridays have been pretty bad because it's been cold and rainy and stuff. But it warmed up a little bit today, so I don't know. Maybe tonight's good. I don't know. I can't tell the future. If I could, I wouldn't be homeless. You know what I mean? So any amount helps, y'all. Oh yeah, I need a haircut too, that's right. But anything else, first thing I gotta do is the cell phone and the work vehicle through work for work. That's the first 2 priorities. After that, hot food, hotel, cleaning stuff, and then clean supplies for the car, all that stuff. All at one time, really. But yeah. So anything helps. Y'all please go to the bio, the top 4 ways. Y'all please send some help. Any amount helps. I'm very grateful. Send some gifts too if you want. Y'all please go to the bio, the top 4 ways, and please send some help. Okay? Any amount helps. More the better, but anything does help. Don't have much time. I need your help. Please help me.